What the heck?
Oh. Wait, those are...
Wait, are these Aerocart? Or are these actually GAL? Here we go. Nope, they're GAL. What? That was weird.
Yeah, look, the original COP is gone, and then they put this thing here, this homemade COP. Like, these are stickers.
Yeah, everything is loose in here.
Yeah, because it doesn't fit. Look at that stop switch.
This elevator also doesn't go down to the ground level.
Nice motor, although it doesn't really sound too good when it starts.
Yeah, because this panel is flat, it doesn't stick out like the normal one would.
Yeah, so
Makes
now
the
they
button
stick
look
out a
weird.
lot more than usual. Alright.